A new career opportunity announcement from Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace. Black Rock Yacht Club, a traditional, historic coastal club in Bridgeport, Connecticut, is seeking a highly visible, hands-on general manager. Since 1926, the Black Rock Yacht Club has been a prominent fixture for local residents looking to enjoy the waters of the Long Island Sound. The club features extensive youth and adult sailing instruction, competitive racing programs, tennis courts, indoor and outdoor dining options, and swimming facilities. The new general manager will lead the club in accomplishing its mission of being a vibrant, member-driven yacht club that provides extraordinary experiences and service. Salary is open and commensurate with qualifications and experience. For a complete position profile and application instructions, consult the Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace website under current openings.